What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Wild Strawberry Garage. I'm in the shop today working on Sluggie, the C3 road racing Corvette. Boom! Yeah! So today I am going to make a shorter video in the hopes that I can crank them out a little bit faster for everyone. And I'm just going to be making the fuel cell bracket that's going to secure the fuel cell into the back of that car. And I'm going to start with those two L-shaped uprights. I got to do some grinding on them first and clean them off. And then, yeah, I'm going to start custom fitting that stuff all together. I'm going to try to keep it as neat and clean and simple as possible. I've seen a lot that are just super heavy and kind of unnecessary. And I like to make them light and functional. I think is a good way to go for these. And this is kind of a rough design that I've done 4 or 5 times now. Just simple, super simple. And the coolest part to me is that I'm just going to do it with what I got lying around. So yeah, kind of scavenge this thing together. And yeah, let's get into it. Feels good getting something done. Let's check this out so far. All right, so that's at about the height I want it to be. I'll be able to bend a hose to come back to that for my quick fill. So right now, I've got it under there in 2 spots, just bolted right to the cross member. I'm still going to do some different things with the ends of these, so I'm going to cut them off so that they're flush and then reinforce them. Back here you can see I'm fitting nice and tight. And what I'm going to do now, I still have a lot to do here with this, so I'm going to have a piece in here that's going to be between this and the fuel cell, and it's going to be a little tab that comes over and it's going to catch this bolt. So I'm going to have it actually have the bracket attached to the fuel cell. Same thing on this side. Have a piece here with a tab attached to that bolt. And then what I need to do is secure the 2 bars, secure this one and that one to each other. So I'm going to do a piece across here like this on this side that's going to hold the fuel cell in front to back, and it's going to attach those bars side to side. So that's my plan, and then I'll be done. It's going to be really nice and lightweight and easy to deal with. 4 bolts in and out. Oh, here's the other thing I have to do. I'm going to come off with a piece of angle iron this way and get out to this tab here. I'm going to drill a hole in the side of it and then bolt it in. My other 2 bolts are going to come on this side. So I'll have 4 bolts holding the thing in the car and then another 2 holding the bracket to the cell. So yeah, it'll keep it nice and tight, nice and secure, and it's going to be super easy to deal with in and out. All right, getting somewhere. Let me show you where I'm at. So I have my little tabbies welded on, holes lining up, both sides, bingo. I've got my piece of angle iron in the back. Now I left this gap here because I'm gonna fill in, I wanna put rubber in, kind of like a rubber gasket on this side and on this side. So I made that big enough to take both. I don't want any metal on metal with this. So I want it to have some shock absorption built into it. So yeah, all that's looking really nice. I'm happy with it. It's simple, it's functional, and it's safe. So yeah, like I said, it's gonna be grabbed, the cell itself is gonna be grabbed on the top by 2 bolts. That's gonna keep it from going anywhere side to side, front to back. I got the angle iron in there. So I'm just about wrapping this up. I'm thinking about maybe adding some more side to side support other than just the 2 bolts, because they're just 2 quarter 20 bolts. So maybe I'll do that, but yeah, this is all but done. Just some little fine tuning and some painting. All right, that's it. I want to clean it up and paint it, but I'm gonna wait for a day that's not, it's raining outside right now, so the paint's never gonna dry in here. The humidity is already crazy in here, and when it's raining, it's like, it could be, if it rains, it will stay wet as long as it rains, the paint. So, that's it. Quick and easy. Got it done, happy with it. I think it's gonna be everything I need. You saw me in there jumping around on it and standing on it, and it seems plenty strong. So, yeah, that's it for this one. Sluggie's one step closer. Gonna cut it here. Try out some short ones this time, try out some short ones moving forward and see if I can pump them out a little bit faster for y'all. So, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. Wild Strawberry Garage signing out.